guys, it's me, Tina Marie, with your meaning of radiance. Today's video is a Dollar Tree haul. I haven't done one this week. Oh my god. And it's massive. I found so many new items, so it's full of the new. So make sure if you like Dollar Tree hauls, you're subscribed to the channel. Like, subscribe right now. Go ahead, subscribe. It's right there below. Turn on your notification bell so when I upload a video, you know the deal. So I got so many bags. They're just all over here. It's crazy. It's crazy. And to all the people that keep saying you love this hair color on me, thank you. It's gonna be my color for a while. I like it too. Okay, so we're gonna stick with it. But woo, so many items. I'm so excited. So we're just gonna start off randomly picking bags. So this is the first bag. I actually just came from the Dollar Tree right now and got these items. So these are the ones. These are the ones that I just got. The first thing is a Salon Selective Marula Magic Conditioner. You guys have seen these before, so this isn't something that's brand new. I just like that they're really big, and I'm actually going to be putting this in with my stuff I'm giving back for domestic violence. So this conditioner is going to be included in that. I got me some trash bags. My mom's gonna yell at me because she said, I'll get you some trash bags when she was at the Dollar Tree earlier, but I didn't want her to because I knew I was going back to the Dollar Tree. So I said, don't get me nothing. But Mom, I did get trash bags. Sorry. I think of Bounce. I picked up some Bounce. Y'all know I love Bounce. And it smells so good. Between Bounce and Gain, you get 15 sheets for $1. It's not bad. I picked this up. I thought this was really cute. This is a flashing headband. So it just a Christmas headband that has the flashing lights. I thought this would be so cute, and I just put up my tree and everything, so I thought this was really cute. So I had to have it. I only got one for me. I know the little kid's gonna fight over it. I should have got more, but oh well. Some cotton swabs. This is the boring stuff kind of cotton swabs, and I got some batteries. Panasonic too, so that's a good brand. And so I got 2, 4, 6 batteries for $1. So that's not bad. And of course, one of my signature face wipes, the towelettes, the Rich Radiance, the Cocoa Butter Cleansing Wipes. One of my favorite. I absolutely love these. If you can you can find these. You definitely can get them. I know it shows African American women. No, it's for everyone. Everyone can use this, not just black people, okay? African Americans, you know, I use the proper term, but not just black people can use it. Everybody can use it because it has that vitamin A, C, D, E all up in here. And I really do like these wipes, so I grab them once in a while just to replenish into my collection. I found this. I thought this was really cute, the little miniature hotel. They have these at Walmart, but they're like $1.98. Some of them are a little bit higher. So to find it for $1 is really nice, and I already have 2 other ones. So I have them already set up. My little Christmas decor is almost done. I don't think I'm going to do a little tour because it's so just regular. It's nothing extravagant. So I don't know. If you guys want a home tour, let me know, but it's nothing extreme. It's just a regular house that's decorated. But let me know. This is the find. I was like, oh my god. I found micellar cleansing water. Let me say it again. Micellar cleansing water. This says compared to simple micellar cleansing water for $1. It says it's a makeup remover and a moisturizer. I bought 6 of these things. I'm just trying to see if it says what's in it. It does. It's a whole list, y'all. I ain't even gonna go through it. And the expiration of it is 08/2020. So yeah, I picked up 6 of the micellar waters, and the packaging is just extremely cute. So I was like, give them to me. I'm these tea light things just to go into one of my little decor things for Christmas. So I don't do real tea lights. These little LEDs work fine for me. You know, candle lighters. I mean, what else can you say? I got a candle lighter. I got a tape measure kit. It ain't in here no more. It means a kid got to it, but I had that too. I got these for the little kids for stocking stuffers. These are really cute. These are miniature Paw Patrol candy-filled ornaments. So I found those, and I just had to have them because I knew they were going to go quick. Another toothbrush for Justin I'm going to use as a stocking stuffer. And this is a Firefly Star Wars. I know these usually go like $2.98 or something like that. So to get it for $1, that's a good deal. Found the Dragon Ball Z toys. I don't know, great stocking stuffer. Dragon Ball Z used to be the ish. I don't know if it's the ish anymore. Anybody let me know. My kids are into Fortnite, so I don't know, but I thought this would be a nice little stocking stuffer for Biddy. And I found this. I'm going to actually put this on my desk, my writing desk that's over here. I just thought this was really cute, guys. Look at this. I don't know what I'm gonna put in here. What should I put in this holder? I might put pins in this holder because my other one, you know, the little recycling bin, I'm using that for my lip pencils and stuff like that, because someone made that recommendation. I was like, oh, it would be good for lip pencils and eye pencils. So I'm using that for that. So I figured I could use this for pens and pencils. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. And a funny story with this item I'm showing you right here. This is actually rose gold, just a rose gold little holder. The funny thing is, this lady was in the store with her son as I picked it up in my hand, and he was like, oh mom, this looks pretty cool, just talking about a toy or something in the Dollar Tree. She said, but you don't need it. He said, I know, but it looks pretty cool. And I'm like, that's me every time I'm in the Dollar Tree. No, I don't need it, but it looks pretty cool. So this looked pretty cool, so I went ahead and got it. Isn't it cute? Look at that rose gold. I just thought that was really, really pretty. What am I going to do with it? I don't know. Let me know in the comments below. What am I going to do with this? I have no idea. I just got it because it was rose gold. It was really pretty, and I normally don't see things like that. So let me know in the comments below what I should do with this. Picked up this plate. It says cookies for Santa. I thought this was really, really cute, and the kids can put the little cookies on there for Santa on Christmas Eve. So I thought this was really, really pretty, and of course it has the latte up there. So I wonder if this is from Starbucks. I wonder. It probably is. It probably is from Starbucks, yeah. Because Dunkin' Donuts don't make them like that. Shade. But I just thought this was really, really cute, so I had to have it. I picked up these little boxes. I'm hoping they fit 3-wick candles, because for the teachers at the schools, I want to give each teacher a 3-wick candle. If you didn't know, tomorrow is candle day. Woo! Tomorrow is candle day. I said I would be at the store at 7. My store doesn't open at 8, so I'll be at the door at 7:30 waiting. Because they were like, the lady that I went, because I went in there today, a little spoiler alert, I went in there today to ask, you know, are they going to be doing 10 off 30? Are they still going to do 20%? What they're going to be doing? She doesn't know yet, but she said, I'm going to be there right when they open, so we're going to try it out and see what happens. So she already knows she's going to see me first thing in the morning, so we'll see. But I thought this was really cute. I'm hoping that it will hold a 3-wick. I actually have a 3-wick right here, so we could test it together. And I think it's a little bit short. Well, no, it's a, oh, wait, hold on. I'm gonna make it work, y'all. I'm gonna make it work. Look, I'm gonna get a bow, not a bow, but some string, you know, the wrapping string to make a bow, and we just gonna have it hold up just like that. Little hood, but it's gonna work. And I think these are really cute, and each teacher is gonna actually get one. So I thought that was a great idea. And I even got a second design. This is the second design that I picked these up. I thought these would be really, really cute in my little entryway. These are some tea light things. I guess you put the tea lights in it or something, and then the light gives off. So it's really cute, really Christmassy. And I thought, hey, why not get it? It's really pretty. And I got this little candy thing. I thought this was really cute. Like, you can put little snacks in it, the Andes candies. Yeah, I can't have my kids going ham on them, but these little Andes candies will be going in this little tray because I thought that was really pretty. And the last 2 things I got are these fragrance sachets, or is sachet? What's it called? Y'all let me know. Okay, but I got cinnamon stick and I got peppermint, and I like the smell of cinnamon stick better than the peppermint. Yeah. And so I think I'm gonna just put this in my car because it had my car smelling really good when it was sitting in the car, the cinnamon stick. So I'm gonna put it in there. I'm trying to see where you can put this. It says bathrooms, trash cans. Ooh, and it put the peppermint bottom of the trash can. Put a peppermint in the bottom of the trash can. That would be good. Yeah, you can put it underneath your seats. You can put them in vacuum bags, closets, and gift baskets. So it comes with a 2-pack. So I'm going to put one of them in my trash can. Then I'll put these 2 underneath the kids' seats. So I'm going to get some great use out of these. And cinnamon sticks smell so good. If you don't get any of them, definitely get the cinnamon stick. So that's it, guys. That's everything I got over at the Dollar Tree. I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. If you did, make sure that you thumbs up and you rate, comment, subscribe. If you're ready for candle day, definitely let me know below. I'm getting great ideas for candles. Someone said something about the eggnog one. I smelled it today when I went in there, and I was like, ooh, eggnog's on the list. They said gelato, so add it to the list. They're bringing back red velvet cupcake, add it to my list. It's just the list goes on and on, so definitely let me know what you're going to be figuring out tomorrow so I can add some of them to my list. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!